Hello aspirants, welcome to Bettyvale Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the amazing facts about the Jammu and Kashmir. That is a extensive covering of physical characteristics of Jammu and Kashmir, natural vegetation, regional festival, art forms, industries, major rivers, minerals, agriculture, and geographical indicators and historical sites, heritage sites, national park, biosphere resource, and also the wildlife sanctuary. Jammu and Kashmir, that is a very much important state and very much important for India because of the border and strategic location. That is a current state of the Union Territory since October 31, 2019, which is formerly a state of India until the August 5, 2019. That is having the capital of Srinagar March to October in the summer, and in winter that is a Jammu is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, which is formed on admitted to India on 26 October 1947, which is consists of 22 districts. The main language of the that is the official language. That is a Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu, Hindi, English is a famous language which is present in the Jammu and Kashmir, which is very much known as for the haven of India, India's northernmost state, the largest producer of the saffron in India. Article 370 of Indian Constitution grant a special autonomous status to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now it's abrogated. The physical characteristics of the Jammu and Kashmir, mainly that is located in the northernmost part of the India. So it is divided into three major regions. That is a Jammu plain and hills in the majority, Kashmir Valley that is a lush scenic Muslim majority, Ladakh now a separate union territory as of 2019. So mainly it lies between the six mountain range, Zanskar range and Karakoram and Kyun Loon range, Amarnath range and also Tosmaidan range. So Bir Banjal range. These are the major physical characteristics of Jammu and Kashmir. There is a many natural vegetation because of often called as a paradise of earth because there is a famous place including the Guimang, Pahalgam, Sonmarg, the Dal Lake and also Vaishyo Devi. There is a snow-capped mountain meadows, that is a river and lakes draw a tourism year around. So the cold desert in the northeast and which converts the Himalayan moist temperate through the alpine and subalpine vegetation that is gradually moving to the south to the southwest. Major physical characteristics comprises of the three regions, that is a two Futhil plain of Jammu, the lake and blue valley of the Kashmir rising, the alpine passes and the high altitude plains and shockingly beautiful mountain of Ladakh which lies beyond the narrow passes. So home to several Himalayan glaciers. So there is many Himalayan glaciers which is in the Jammu and Kashmir region. So it is called as our Switzerland. So key points, there is major rivers which are flows into the Jammu and Kashmir is the Indus, that is flowing from the Tibetan plateau, and Gauti Sangpo, that is to the Arabian Sea and Run of Kutch. There is a Tavi flowing from the Kailash Kund glacier to the Jinab, and Ravi which is flowing from the Chamba in Himachal Pradesh to the Indus. Chenab that is flowing from Baralachab pass to the Sutlej. So these are the major rivers which are flows into the Jammu and Kashmir region. Major regional festival in the Jammu and Kashmir, that is a Hemis is one of the very much famous festival which is celebrated in the Jammu region, and Urs and Ziyarats, Sindhu and Darshan, Amarnath Yatra, that is a famous yatra. These are the major important regional festivals which is celebrated in the Jammu and Kashmir region. The major art forms, that is a Basholi paintings, Kasida embroidery, Safiana Khalam, Hafiz Nagma, Ladisha, Chakri. These are the major important art forms which are present in the Jammu and Kashmir. The major industries are sericulture, carpet making, paper match, horticulture, cement. So these are the major industries in the Jammu and Kashmir. So economically based on the agriculture, horticulture, especially apple and saffron is a major important for this economy, and also handicrafts and tourism. That is a pashmina shawls and carpets and walnut wood crafts are globally famous, and also tourism is a pilgrimage. That is Vaishnav Devi Amarkant Yatra are key contributor of the economy. There's agriculture. There is a major production is wheat, fruit, cumin, saffron, paddy. These are the major important agricultural products from our Jammu and Kashmir. And major geographical indication is Kashmir Pashmina. That is a major important geographical indication, and also that walnut, which is a Kashmir walnut wood carvings. That is a major painting, so that is very much important and very much famous in all over world. So that these are the major important geographical indications. The key facts, that is a state bird of this Jammu and Kashmir is a black-necked crane. State animal is a Kashmir stag. The state tree is a china tree. The state flower is a sacred lotus. These are the major key points regarding the Jammu and Kashmir. Endemic bird areas. There is a Western Himalaya. It's a endemic. It's only present in the India. There is a national park which is very much famous. Is a Tachigam National Park, Salim National Park, Kiswa National Park, Hemis National Park. These are the major national parks which are present in the Himachal. These are the major national parks which are present in the Jammu and Kashmir region. There is a major wildlife sanctuary. First of all, Bondla, Dr. Salim Ali Wildlife Sanctuary, Charo Island Wildlife Sanctuary, Kotigan Wildlife Sanctuary, Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary, Madey Wildlife Sanctuary. These are the major important wildlife sanctuary which are present in the Jammu and Kashmir region. Important Ramsar sites. First of all, Okesar wetlands, Somoriri Ramsar site, Surinsar Ramsar site, Ullar Lake, Mansar Lake. These are the important Ramsar sites, which is 5 Ramsar sites is almost very much important for India. These are the important Ramsar sites present in the Jammu and Kashmir. There is a diverse mix of Kashmiri, Dogri and Ladakhi culture, and also there is a major religion like Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, everything will be in and around Jammu and Kashmir. There is a famous for the Safi tradition, Kashmiri music, Wazwan, cuisine, and also very much important festivals are celebrating in this Jammu and Kashmir. There is a political changes, that is Article 370 and 35A were abrogated on the August 5, 2019. So now it's a special autonomous status revoked, and it was bifurcated on 2 union territory. That is Jammu and Kashmir with the legislature and Ladakh without legislature. So now it's in 2 important territory, and there is a slowly improving infrastructure and education system. So central government schemes are actively being implemented during post 2019. So the Jammu and Kashmir is a very important for India's strategic important area. Thank you so much.